Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best dish soaps out there, the Mrs. Meyer's Apple Cider Liquid Dish Soap. This limited edition scent brings the warmth and coziness of fall into your kitchen while making dishwashing a breeze. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by greasy dishes, you know how important it is to have a reliable dish soap that not only cuts through the grime but also leaves behind a pleasant scent. Mrs. Meyer's Apple Cider Liquid Dish Soap does exactly that. With a formula made from essential oils, aloe vera, and olive oil, it's crafted to clean effectively without harsh chemicals. It's free from parabens, phthalate, and artificial colors, making it a great choice for those who care about both their health and the environment. The sweet, crisp scent of apple cider with a hint of spice makes this dish soap truly special. It's reminiscent of a comforting cup of apple cider enjoyed by the fireplace on a cool autumn day. The gentle, garden-inspired fragrance lingers just enough to make your kitchen feel fresh and inviting but won't overpower your senses. One of the best features of this dish soap is its biodegradable formula. Made with plant-derived cleaning agents, it's designed to be tough on grease but gentle on your hands and the environment. Mrs. Meyer's products are always cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice while you clean. The liquid dish soap is perfect for hand-washing dishes, pots, and pans, leaving your kitchenware sparkling clean and grease-free. Plus, it's not just about cleaning, it's about creating a positive impact on the planet. Mrs. Meyer's is committed to sustainability, using eco-friendly ingredients and processes to reduce their environmental footprint. This product is available in a 16-ounce bottle, sold in packs of 3, making it a practical choice for those who need a dish soap that lasts. If you love the apple cider scent, you'll want to stock up before it's gone, as it's a limited edition. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dish soap that not only cleans but also leaves a refreshing, cozy scent behind, Mrs. Meyer's Apple Cider Liquid Dish Soap is the perfect choice. It's effective, eco-friendly, and cruelty-free, making it a top pick for anyone who cares about quality products that are also kind to the environment. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on top products. See you in the next video.